What's happening, Wildcats? My name is Jacob, and today I'm going to show you how to navigate Blackboard, otherwise known as BB Learn. Whether you're an incoming first-year student, an experienced transfer student, or maybe even a continuing Chico State student, I want to show you all the great features that come with Blackboard. Blackboard is a great resource for checking professors' office hours, checking class syllabi, as well as connecting with other students in your classes via email. So come on, let's check it out. In a previous video tutorial, I showed you how to navigate the Chico State portal and Student Center. If you need a quick refresher on that, you can check the link below in our description. To access Blackboard, you can always utilize the Chico State portal and navigate to the right-hand side where it says Common Student Systems. Below that, on the right-hand side, you'll see a link for Blackboard. Once you click on that, it'll have you navigate to your login information page. Once you have done so, it'll navigate you to the home page. This is what a typical Blackboard homepage looks like. Now, typically, you'll have all of your different terms listed here with all of your different classes for the semester. Typically, classes are uploaded a few weeks before the term starts, so that way you can navigate all of your classes that you're looking for. You can always customize and personalize your page by clicking on this personalized page button here, where you can change colors, you can change the layout, and you can also add and subtract modules to add to your page for you to navigate other useful links. Let's start first with My BB Learn courses. Under Spring 2021, I have a class listed as University 389. When I clicked on that class link, it took me to the homepage for that course. Now, this might look a little overwhelming to you, but I promise you it's pretty simple. Basically, it'll show you the course name and the title for that course, and when that class met. In this case, it met on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 3:30 to 4:45 via Zoom. It showed me the course instructor and that course instructor's contact information. Now, keep in mind, every course and every professor personalize their homepages very differently. So your course may not look like this, but this information should be located on Blackboard. Scrolling down, I can find some important contact information for folks that are in that class. However, I want to check the syllabus for this class. So in this case, this syllabus was located here. The syllabus for this class also indicated all that information that I went over above, as well as some other important information, including the course overview, some goals of the course, if there was a required textbook for the class, the grading policy for this course, as well as some important competencies. Again, every professor's syllabus is going to probably look a little bit different, so if yours doesn't look exactly like this, no need to worry. Since this class took place online, they also provided me with the Zoom link. Now, this is very helpful for folks that are going to be taking online classes. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a navigation menu. Now, again, every professor is going to set this up differently, but it's important to pay attention to the different tabs that are located here. Syllabi and other important information for the course can be found in another folder. They're not always going to be on the homepage, but you might see tabs for class links, course materials, assignments, and other project tabs located here. One thing that's standard for each class is that you'll see a tab for My Grades. Now, if I were to click on this, it would indicate which grades I got for the class for assignments, exams, and projects. Below the My Grades tab, you'll see a link for email. Now, this is a great way to contact your professor and other classmates in your class. Now, keep in mind, not every professor utilizes the email function on Blackboard, but they'll indicate on their Blackboard page and in their syllabus how you should contact them. Another incredible tool is the Launch Follett Discover tab. If I were to click on this button, it would take me to the Follett Discover Wildcat Bookstore website. And immediately, it'll show me all the different classes that have requirements, whether they're textbooks or materials that I need to purchase for the class. Another important navigation menu on Blackboard is the Useful Links tab. Now, you can see Navigating Blackboard Learn, and it will offer you a series of different resources and videos for navigating Blackboard. You can also find the Merriam Library website, as well as how to make an appointment with a librarian and 24/7 online research help. Additionally, you can also utilize the Wildcat Bookstore through the bookstore link located here. Lastly, you'll see the LinkedIn Learning page. Some professors utilize LinkedIn Learning as a way to provide additional assistance with teaching class lessons. Lastly, you'll see some announcements that are located here. If a professor utilizes the Announcements tab, you can find all of your announcements found here. Right next to your name, you'll see a drop-down menu with different buttons. The first one is BB Home, which will take you to this homepage here at any time. Below that, you'll see posts that are made from your professor or even fellow classmates. Here, if you were to click on this tab, you'll see an Updates tab, which will show you different updates that have been made to the different classes that you're in, located here. Below the Updates tab, you'll see the My Grades tab. This is a great way to see all of the classes that your professors use for grades. Now, keep in mind, not all professors utilize Blackboard for grades, but if your professor does utilize the grades option, then you can find it here. Lastly, some professors utilize this calendar option to show when an exam or an assignment is due. Again, Blackboard is a great resource to keep track of all of your exams, quizzes, assignments, and other important information regarding the class, including class syllabi and policies. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a great first semester at Chico State.